One of the really nice and incredibly useful features available on WhatsApp is that you can effectively prevent certain specific contacts from being able to view your status updates on the application. So let's open the WhatsApp application as usual. Next, tap on these three dots in this area. Then you will want to tap on the Settings option. For your valuable information, this particular method also effectively works on all iPhones. You will clearly find a distinct circle here with the word Settings prominently written underneath it. Please tap on that. Since my personal mobile phone is an Android device, I will proceed to tap right here. Then I scroll down a bit and look for the option labeled Privacy. And if your phone is currently set to another language, please remember the specific locations and the visual icons you'll be carefully navigating to. Then, simply tap in this particular area. Next, you will simply tap on the status option from here. So, my dear viewer, if this happens to be your very first time watching my videos on this channel, please do not forget to show your support for me by clicking on the subscribe and follow buttons, and also by liking and generously sharing this video with your friends and family members. I would truly appreciate it very much. You can certainly choose one of these available options. For example, I personally will select this particular option. I genuinely think that this specific method is truly and remarkably great, offering significant advantages. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. The comprehensive playlist of some incredibly helpful WhatsApp tutorials contains many important guides that you will undoubtedly like and find extremely useful. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.